Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state. H pattern. H pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement. V pattern, wide state, retesting area support, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to play this bar by bar moving forward.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in a guaranteed $1, and we're going to see how this price reacts to the 21,200 on our 2-minute chart. As you can see, we haven't had a really clear-cut retracement up into this point, so we're going to see when it retraces, how it retraces, how deep it retraces, and then we'll move forward with a management plan. But this is showing a very strong, high probability that this might go right back up to the high of the day, if not get beyond the high of the day. At this point, we're going to actually lock in $2 guaranteed right now. And again, we're looking for the break of the high of the day, maybe go to the $3 target. If not, we might even fill the gap from yesterday. All right, I want to show you something, ladies and gentlemen. Right here, this is what I call the hope box. So there's some traders, millions of traders actually, that are trapped right now. They are still underwater from yesterday, just before the bell. So the price is gradually increasing, and selling is not really dominating. Buyers are just coming in and gobbling it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep our stop at that guaranteed $2. And since the 21 moving average on our 1-minute chart is rising, we're going to use that as a protective guide. If the price comes down and meets the 21 moving average on our 1-minute chart, it will gain power, and it should be enough to push the price past the 200 moving average on our 1-minute chart, and then we'll slowly start seeing that price is going to start getting closer and closer to the gap, and you'll start seeing people start to trigger that by selling off, once they become break even or maybe a little bit positive, and we're going to take advantage of that moment. So this might take a while, but you can see that those buyers are protecting roughly the $4.99 and a quarter area. So we're going to stick around, and we're going to play that hope box in our favor.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $3 move, ladies and gentlemen. Since we hopped the 200 moving average on our 1-minute chart, we're going to lock in $2.50, and we're going to see if this price will fill that gap. If it fills the gap, it might go up, come down, pause back on the 200 moving average, and then try to launch from there again. So that's what we're expecting to see. Again, we're going to play this bar by bar, but as of right now, we're going to lock in that guaranteed $2.50 move. And right now you can see that it's filling the gap. So I want to see how this is going to react off of the 525 cent level. We pushed past the 500 level, so it's not going to fail there. If it's going to fail right around the 525 marker, 550 cent marker. So we might get up $4 if we get through 550 area. If not, we might get stalled out at the 525 cent area, come down and try once more to breach that area. So again, we're not getting a lot of follow through after the gap fill. As you can see, we're coming down. So we're going to expect a retrace, and then depending on how we get back to that area, that 525 cent area, will determine whether we're going to stay or whether we're going to go at that point. All right, I think we're going to pull our profits. Let's see if we go up to 532. So this way we get $3.50 exactly. So it looks like we're going to get it right.
Order filled.
And there's a $3.50 move today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.